Not only does TD Ameritrade have great online trading platforms, but they also provide mobile versions of their platforms as well. Most reputable trading exchanges will also offer a mobile app for trading, but the thinkorswim app offered by TD Ameritrade is definitely my favorite, which I use to place 90% of my trades. In this lecture, we will walk through the steps to place your trades on your smartphone. For day traders and other short-term traders, having a mobile app for trading is a must-have. You want to be able to place your trades at any time without having to be glued to your desktop or laptop. So to get started, let's pull out your smartphone and open up the thinkorswim mobile app. When you first open the app, you'll first have to sign in with your account credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password and make sure you have live trading selected. We're going to go over Pepper Money in the next lecture. So here's the TD Ameritrade thinkorswim mobile app. You have 5 different tabs at the bottom, including your quotes tab where you can view your watch list, your positions tab where you can manage your account, the orders tab where you can view your transaction history, an alerts tab where you can create stock alerts, and a more menu where you can update your settings. So here's one of the watch lists on my account. Since we used TMV in the last example, let's see how to purchase TMV on the mobile app. I don't see it on this watch list, so let's go up to Quick Quote and type in TMV. There it is. Let's click it in the drop-down menu. This should take you to the candlestick chart for TMV. Here you can view the chart, any recent news, the options currently running for TMV, and the depth where you can view the current bids and asks. thinkorswim provides some of the best candlestick charts, overlays, and indicators that I've seen on mobile apps. The chart shown here is the 5-minute candlestick chart with the Bollinger Band overlay added. The horizontal line across the center is actually the order that we placed in the previous lecture on the TD Ameritrade platform online. Before we place our order on the app, let's go down to the Orders tab and cancel our previous order. So here you can view all the orders that are currently active. Let's click on the order for TMV. So here's where you can cancel your orders or even replace your orders with updated information. At the top, you can see that I currently have an active order to buy 25 TMV with a trail stop of 25 cents. This means that the order would execute after the price goes up 25 cents from the low after I place the order, which is currently $21.38. But for now, let's cancel this order and place another order using the mobile app. And there we have it. Our trade has been canceled. If we go back over to the chart, you can see that the horizontal line that showed our previous order has now disappeared. So in order to place a new order, we're going to look at the very top right and click on Trade. So here's the screen where you can set up all your trade parameters. Personally, I like to trade using trail stops, so let's change that here. For my quantity, I think I'll go with 50 shares on this trade. So since I selected trail stop, I will now have to set a mark for the trail. I think 10 cents is a little too tight of a trail for TMV, so let's change this over to 20 cents. So once the price of TMV goes up 20 cents from the lowest price it hits after I place this trade, my trade would then be executed. Under cost of trade, you can also select to have this trade open only for the day or keep it open until you cancel it. After you've selected all your information, look up at the top right and click on Confirm. Here's where you can review your order before you send it. I will be buying 50 shares of TMV with a trail stop of 20 cents that will be open until I cancel it. The cost of this trade once executed will be $1,059.50 plus a $6.95 commission fee. If everything looks correct, go ahead and look at the top right and click on Send. And there we have it. This order will execute once the trail stop of 20 cents is hit. If this had been a market or limit order, it probably would have executed almost instantly. So that's a quick overview of how to use the TD Ameritrade thinkorswim mobile app. In the next lecture, we will go over how to set price alerts so that you can be notified of potential trading opportunities. I'll see you in the next video.